Baby, honorable Haruna Iddrisu, our education minister, we will be a monton and crab, sending crowd to be a bedi ha. A yes of Penyah apostle Nana Kwarteng Bonohene. Nanka Bonohene is open person can be, but Omi Ghana for one can be a more minor. A fan someone. Honor worker which you say now no Ghana, you better Arabic. Any, you better Arabic. Any Chinese casa. Ewo yet kindergarten schools. Eddie ABC primary schools, no. Say there be honorable. As my kind, Yansa be padiwo. As what adi be, Sabi, Yansa be padiwo. Omo, abe class with honorable. I Penyah block me there. Metro say any demo. Obe like if you do not have my subscribe button, some back click notification corner for latest updates. Now better the word join the mama. Comment section. Obasoa. No one for any biasho. And make can phone ala money and a penny the amount. Who USA, who UK, opposite sense ka ediko fiasum dreamu to Ghana and any other African country biaswa. Nala, Anatoni says no be a edison this can ever fee. From prom code the Penyah TV send this can over $20 amazing. Omutona very fast. O Sunday ya na a drew fee. O Sunday ya nya fina be free fee busa aba na oyam je show David. Nala de. Onya boss send na partial. Let's get to Ghana and I say any other African country be o send course through the person mobile money account. Let's can I hate it. Not wakwa. Let's go to the story. I was in Ghana higher education system. Idea. Edipa will be say a young reshuffling, especially curriculum no. I was saying answer to be our curriculum, no name will be one more. Ye free mu. What because yes, ABC is young Mura. Topics will be in the classroom. Emphasis will be any so. Maybe my regretting maybe I'm going to an SHS. My regretting maybe baby, but me mobi. My regret me say me tenase na. No say ain't idea we ya kwa tuna classroom pa kosuan nyansa be pa ni wu just my regretting am be am go suan na SHS just the school system here serious reshuffling in our curriculum and dem suan courses amount for ya no university ni ade no program we be hono a emfaso bia ni so e wo say ye yansa tene kra yi topics be free system ni mo kra and I'm so education minister, the current one, honorable Haruna Iddrisu. Okay, but I say Ghana for musuna so amoka kana. Atomasum, but I say na boa me aye nsakyeraye. And honorable na panfo kwotena se kwa dwene ho. Enum ko ye nsakyerem ko ye nyina ne se. No. Omo dwene Ghana ho mu do ye papa yasem. Ye new curriculum a omo kwotena se no revised one na omo kwada dwene ho e be boa Ghana no. Now ne ye be kire Arabic kasa. Any Chinese language at the kindergarten schools to the primary schools. Ye KG na nursery nkura kosi primary for no no. Ye be kire mu Arabic, any Chinese kasa. All about education minister ekoda dwene ho. Changes are Ghana for call say ye changes in a curriculum no. Okoda anyway ni ade about na butiri. Where don't have one quarter, you know, can give us all you. All of and I did have a baby video that I've got. Because where there's all of any dear man, saying, one quarter, you know, can give us all you. Yeah, here, such like here changes. On now, the new curriculum, revised one changes. I acquire the Hebrew. Yeah, the Arabic and the Chinese Casadavish. Emma do travel across the social media, handles. Emma be more. Try to my be for one. I know. Others of Penyah. Apostle Nana Kwarteng amanfo. One Bonohene. Omo just say David, master. I don't know about ken. Ghana crowd asimni. Ye akoye na say ye koyechi. Ye te Ghana ha. Ye besua Arabic. Any Chinese kasa there. Emfa so be pa na so e de mo man konkron Ghana. We any nsemu a omo ababeka.
Na adia ba ko a etwanso no tie me ye pa adia ba ko etwanso no kra wo mu ni sa yesi say dia ye man na wo primary 1 akọ P6 abakọ junior high school no omo besua China for kasa Chinese nam say na andis yaban omo ye serious pa
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo ntem
omunim dia omo ye amamwo no omunim ba bi omo de kode amamwo aye serious business
omo de omo bon na ye kasa omo ntem
akwa amamwo no enye joku o Enye comedy.
And a pedi I don't know can you see.
A serious business.
And a pedi I don't know can you see.
And to the money sounds na wunye serious na wa home.
The can that hodo.
Yet the aduma sounds as a minister. Na dia wo ye no woni mu abakwasam won hu ni ti won hu ni nan a as minister obi amfo so ka kire nipa no de aduma ma won say papa ba bia mu piapia me de makono enya no ne hia Ghana.
Hwenia kasa.
China kasa ne hia Ghana. Accra war primary one no China kasa na be solve a problem amaye.
Hey.
What is the secret behind ye introduce Chinese
Hey.
to Accra war primary one?
Hey.
Secret in the idea. They should come out and tell us. Now Accra primary one. People near Accra to wa Ming Hao, Ching Hong King Hao, Yabubu Adamana.
Wash.
Sankasan what they call him, and then a babuano.
Wash.
Ye neighboring countries. Mama ye train was ya, why na China Casa, Chinese. Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, Burkina Faso, Bobo Crochet was ya, why na China for Casa Chinese.
Loma born a casa or mountain.
Ye will be cry and ka French Casa, and yes, a man ni brehon, San Cranbet Miaka, bonjour, madame, bonjour, monsieur, bonjour, I live more, now walk up. Because I cried be busy put to prove. Na ye Janina walk one kwa China, one in Taman will talk China.
107.3.
Assassin Pono. Yabona town here no bed no a copy baby abon hoja. Minim Sabia, ya say China for no, cry to me ya mobile phone, and cry say, and tea. Cassan and Amo Mutimi Yentia Yemishia Nase, and dear.
You can't also be reset your mind.
As for Maya, ye near Breno, ye identify individual potentials.
You can't also be reset your
I'm a trained teacher. My trader, the headmaster. Proper teaching, no people teacher. A crown from primary one. Woman to identify a crown, the one in moon, the talent.
And a pedi I don't know can you see.
Because a crabia or unique talent, innate talent. Anya media man or dear fra woman ba. Yet me identify. You was special teachers, so to me identify. Yet me identify. Yan home. China ni not in the criminal. One can't also be sweet casa.
Ewurade Nyankopon.
Jawa Germany. One yana dreams over sweet casa. Na cancer baby bear one Ghana. Yes, you are in your China.
Say I am out the band in pensa.
Ha! Wabi a canipa, tree casa no crowd won't take.
A tumpine.
Obi and Kraniga, boing. One take.
Hey.
The company, how is that? One take.
Hey.
Yanina no who ye, yes, you could see a China for Casa, and we school soon.
Anabujo mama.
That is why maybe says, what do we stand to benefit?
I think on this point, yes, Miss.
And Kakranua primary one, no, once I crowd with the age, Ubetrabo Bopa, your crowd to see a Kodiagra Sena Craneyano, you identify a crano, now face academy beer, quickly at the Akrana Kushim.
And a pedi I don't know can you see.
Sir, a crowd to be the inside yet clear, no, maybe an answer that be a crowd, very creative, innovative.
I've been Cassia Sunda, I've been get 20 years yet.
And Tisadia, Robos, young Fabinko, now Cranon Costa 10 years twice in Kakra. A Cranon fee from primary, JHS, senior high school, and one at Cranabaya University, and one Obaya, 1 year no, master. Yan Yenis idea with him. Near Quaternasi, Jina, China for workers are Chinese, Chinchan, wine.
Wash.
You are not serious, Akraba.
And no
service. Mr. Mo. Now, no, who's a moji casam, you know, be a tombstone, Kulan, one hour. Eden Casa. Eden Casa. And I we ask him. Diana Moticane, when no Lumami Pai Kokunua. Ah? Yakwaji Chinese language, any Casa for Frobi. Say, yeah, they become Quran curriculum Momosia. Where from this? Me yes of Unkuna Medio, me chiramamre, me books in Bebre Namacho, have a book in Ibram Fanchirom, Cassia no near it. Me chiramamre, a hinsian near Mane, a badin to one, sa one, make my book Makumaku 8. Na the Intia Mania Brenier. Yemubia Awurade asaye asofo ene ade hunufo yehu daache no. Ya ne yehu de eba. Tina me preach wi a me sra wofo no na me kasa de ma wo mo ankasa ne wo mo ma de me ye nyina mu ye die. Ye ma na nya daache ante ne ma se wo ya mamre mu ahe no mo kroi. Education minister, we a fine gentleman. I love you keke. Me she hon kom sa accident bi say edom e wo ha nim ye koye intercessory. E wo mountains ma me be she saa yi no mu na konya nkwanhia. Me pe wasem keke. Me srew. Saa ne ma e dia be kan. Ya ye language no yesua. Ya ye language yesua. Aden na ya ye language ne de mo mpe ni sua. Na obi ko school a ene twi nkura no ntimi nkyire twi. They cannot write their own languages. Eze, Ga, Akan, Yawasanti Uba Kankasa Yawasanti Twi. They are tron Yawasanti Twi near war, a Quapim Twi near one fanti. Miensa when ye tro, a Wukilum, who can in Abuma Yakan. And then Kulanin to mean throw by a Jatumsi and Kofo because I'm from Mekahon. I am not against Fabu Kurubi Maminika. Mahu. Mo hemi no me books ni bi ni de matwere ni bi ni ohu we na last na ohene bantim bere ma kire wo UTV no books o matwere makomako 8 me kire amamre ti mo politicians nkola no a me kan sema no maba bedidi atam mummu ade mfreni mafo no nyam afene me ye bre ho asipa we books o matwere ni bi ni won se guachi mamamre kire kronkron ni amamre eno su ni matwere books bebre media me concentrate on your tradition no so enti Chinese kasa ne hwan na makofa ba mo de beka nkwa and na enti ye language ne de enye wo ya kan language ye ga eve da gomba da gate ene saa ye local no a ye ntimi ntwere no nkwala ne ntimi ntwere no enham wo hu enti ye ba bedane foreigners wo ye land so wo hu so be we secondary school po bekwa languages school of languages say oh anko for kodada me pese mu promote ye local languages no won say ne Trump pam abibifo firi ni kurom obi e pampam eba ebe kakra Britain me hye hon kom 2020 enna hon hye enti se yanfa de wo ya ye man mu anye bribia pese nkura ko school mu language o mu ntimi nkria nkura ko school mu language o mu ntimi ntwero and then Quantum Omuni Mamre Nim Chi Nibio, Onim Ga, Onim Evenibio, Saya language, Onim Ontimintro. Now the Obi language you may promote to. What is it for, my dear Honorable? What is it for? Minkasa and who here say Obi pa a option upon Kushianadi. By a local language, I don't know man Kodani Shia. That be a mekase. Me makokrasi menkonkoye engineering auto engineer o ma misua saa ko fifa protect ne me ko nyanya me field no me field ye radio because na me nyame ma me nyansa me twira nwensem me chekire saa de ne ye de wo me obi oni mi bi anim afa de me kokoko no ade ne nua wo titi gold face ntinu wi a obenya adwuma ya we me wi me de na me koye na me san besin ko ho school a me de best start adwuma ewo GBC branch ye fa me am ye adwuma fa mu an call private station side me software be ye YouTube da Pentecost mu ani ade a me duru pomponso Awurade ma me se tibia na dom mra ho mehia me na fa wadoma che de bompa ye fa chekire nkrofo nso so am de aduru sei na senkam saa twi no man twero twi no ansua me krom kasa no amfa nka ho a na politicians in this country there I don't know ene yana nanom so tiwo no ma edi. If you say Brunia Beji and to me, the group of people called politicians. Inti asase ne na nanom dia enso broni ni politician ye wanu abetu na nanom good no de call na nan to me nkasa enso asase ne na na dia. Where from this? Ana wo for mo pe ne sa ba ko na ka ho no quite dangerous. Edi eni mesremu sad way to cause detriment. A very detrimental to move victory. Mumine humbio. na your local languages no mama nkwada ni nsua wo school mu yen nsua local languages, how to write it, how to speak them. Yen nsua obi ko school no twa subject nyina no wantwa English amoso wabon aden o ka obi enso kura bi kura nipa no te English pa ba o twa no wantwa ike no yes yen fa university concept na moti Africa na mu yie munim difference what education and schooling mu. We are only schooling the people, we are not educating them. Mesra mu awofo ha nyina yenye ntum me de wa agitum pagya wonsa sa niema mienu na yakofa ba ogitum apagya wonsa me menye ntum enti ya apili. We can't force you, you have the power by ya apili say mumma ye local language no enye adwuma yensua local languages no yensua when we say I was saying Ghana wo local language your national language rather, but when say politics inti yentumi ye national language Sadia ni emfifa fa baabia yehwehwea ba ko bia nti sadia emfa brofo nye local ye national language hwe ukọ other countries no mo national language bo mo sua brofo nti won se Ghana nya ne national language akwada bia nhwemu kire se wo de mother tongue kire na de a ohu chen se wo de foreign language be kire na de bu sampanyufo wa ha o mako school yo mo wa hai ane na mo yesa mo ba power no ba mo de ye de mo pe ya nyintum mo nwe hu bio. Amen.
Do you think, say, the teaching and learning of Arabic and Chinese language in Ghana, and I say it is coming to put another burden on these kids? Because to me, now, I mean, we say, and crowds near more mission schools require doors. Hey, P1 he knows about 9 subjects. Eddie Banco. Ababe 10 subjects. Oh, upon Eddie Banco. I'll crack it to Eddie Asemwa. Eddie Asem. Eddie Asem. Doors to cry, yes, stressing crowd too much. Omu exams here. Debbie Omu 2 papers. Even SHS crowd is so much when you crowd. Omu 1 paper a day. But primary schools in Crown Crane, JHS and Crown Crane, 2 papers. Eddie Asemwa. Eddie Uncle. Eddie Banco. Cherewaje mama e comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Agra.